Hi, in this video, we'll show you the complete process of a compound polish to restore your car's shine and eliminate imperfections. Transform your vehicle's shine with a complete compound polish. Let's get started. And here's the final look. Another happy car, another happy customer. Trust us to bring out the best in your vehicle. Visit us at Suzuki Islamabad Motors Private Limited. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.